Hi guys, I'm Rich. Let's go through my top 5 things to watch for the week ahead in markets. Number 1, UK labour market data. The latest round of UK labour market data will be closely watched this week on the back of the IMF's warnings regarding UK growth. With the UK forecast to be one of just 2 economies within the G7 to suffer a recession this year, traders will be keen to see if there was any deterioration in the employment landscape over the last quarter. However, a stronger reading might not necessarily be taken as a positive given the excessive inflation still seen within the UK currently. Number 2, UK CPI. Following on from our UK labour market data, attention will then turn to the latest UK CPI data. Following some cooling in January, inflation was seen spiking back up to 40-year highs in March at 10.4%. With UK inflation failing to follow the trajectory we are seeing elsewhere, there is a lot of anticipation in the market as traders wait to see whether CPI continued higher last month or cooled off some. Number 3, Canadian CPI. Canadian CPI might not have as much attention on it as the UK release. However, it is still important to track consumer prices and be alert to any potential shift in BOC policy. The BOC kept rates on hold last week, though noted that inflation was proving stickier than expected, with inflation expectations taking longer to come down. Now, with this in mind, any unexpected lift in inflation will likely translate into perceived hawkish BOC risks, lifting Canadian dollar near term. Number 4, New Zealand CPI. The latest consumer price data out of New Zealand will also be watched this week. The RBNZ scaled back its rate projections this year on the back of recent weather emergencies in New Zealand and the impact on the economy. However, it did note that it would be monitoring inflation closely, and while a slower pace of tightening has been laid out, this is subject to upward revision should inflation suffer any unexpected lift. Number 5, US, UK and Eurozone PMIs. Now finally, traders will turn their attention to the latest round of business activity surveys from the US, UK and EZ. With renewed concerns around global recession risks on the back of recent banking sector turmoil and in light of the IMF's downgraded global growth outlook, traders will be keen to see how business activity held up last month, which will have clear implications for the risk sentiment near term. You can of course click on the link in the description just below to see the full economic calendar with the previous month's data and consensus expectation for this time. But for this week, thanks everyone, good luck trading, and remember to smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss more content like this when it's released.